Here's a pair of the TOZO NC3 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset. You want to do a factory reset if you have issues, you can't put it in the pairing mode, or it's not connecting, one side's not working, it keeps disconnecting, maybe it's out of sync, and so on. Okay, but factory reset is very simple. The only thing you want to do is make sure that the buds are in the case. Then we're going to go ahead and open this lid up, and we're going to keep this lid open. On the back over here, you have a reset button right here. So you want to press and hold that button for like 12 seconds, or just wait until the left-right side start blinking. We'll do it together, okay? Here's that button right there. Ready, set, go. Press and hold now. I'm holding, keep holding. Keep holding still. We want that left and right side to start blinking. Still holding. Still, okay, left, right side's blinking now. Go ahead and let go. And once it turns off, wait about 10 seconds, and then the factory reset should be complete. And then when you pull the earbuds out, it should automatically go into pairing mode, okay? Now, the thing is, before I did the factory reset, I was currently paired to this Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. If I want to connect back to the same phone, what I should do is just go to settings, and I'm going to go to Bluetooth. So I'm going to go to connections. I'm going to go to Bluetooth here, and you can see I was paired before. So what I'm going to do is tap on that settings button, and I'm going to unpair. For an iPhone, it would be forget this device. So I'll unpair just like that. And now these are in pairing mode already. I already see them right here. Okay, so I can tap there and I can reconnect back to this same device as well. All right, you can see we're connected. Pretty simple.